Imagine turning a blank page into a blockbuster story or whipping up a feast from simple ingredients. That's the magic of a meyk, a powerhouse verb that sparks creation everywhere. But what if you could swap it with fresh words to make your English pop? Today on Thesaurus Thrive, we're diving into a meyk synonyms to level up your vocabulary. Meyk is a verb meaning to create, produce, or form something by combining parts or using materials. It's super versatile, like when a chef makes a cake from flour and eggs, or friends make plans for adventure. Synonyms bring variety. Try create for inventing something new, like an artist creating a vibrant painting from imagination. Build of its construction, as in building a treehouse plank by plank with your kids on a sunny afternoon. Produce works for yielding results, such as a garden producing juicy tomatoes after patient tending. Construct suggests careful assembly, like constructing a model rocket that soars high. Other gems include form, fabricate, and assemble. Antonyms? Destroy tears things apart, like waves destroying a sandcastle, dismantle breaks down structures, or demolish wipes them out completely. Picture this: you make a bold decision to chase your dreams, but swap to forge a path for extra flair. Or, she makes dinner every night, better as cooks up a storm to paint the cozy scene. These swaps make your stories vivid and your chats engaging. Which synonym will you make your own today? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.